Greetings from Antigo, Wisconsin, the seat of Langlade County. I'm here to relax and enjoy the day and explore the town before getting back out to the rest of Langlade, which, as we know, is the county of trails and some of the best outdoor recreation the Northwoods has to offer. Thanks. You know, whenever I check out a town, I always have to check out the local diner first. The American diner is an institution. For decades, people have been coming for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, grab some great food and talk about what's going on in town. And Dixie Lunch is no exception. They've been here along the main drag in Antigo since 1945, serving up great stuff. So I'm looking really forward to this before I check out everything else going on in town. That bacon's really good. So I'm all happy from the Dixie Diner, and I decided to walk around downtown Antigo. And along the way on the main drag here on US 45, I came across this. The railroads, originally the Milwaukee Lakeshore and Western, then the Chicago and Northwestern, continued to be crucial for Antigo's growth. And steam locomotives like this one, the commerce they brought in and the maintenance they needed employed a majority of Antigo residents for a long time. And today you can take the main north-south road through Antigo, which is US 45, to see the original Carnegie Library built in 1905, which now houses the Langlade County Historical Society Museum and Antigo's brand new Welcome Center. And this, a 440 Baldwin 280 locomotive that dates back to 1900, was brought here to Antigo in 2006. And you can check out all the history, especially as it pertains to the railroads. All aboard! So I'm on a little post-breakfast walk, and just a few blocks away, I'm stumbling on the Antigo Farmers Market here, which is pretty cool. I've actually been invited to a picnic and a little walk along the boardwalk later today with a local family, so I need a few provisions. So here in Antigo, everything is local, grown in Langlade County. So I'm seeing baked goods, I'm seeing honey, I'm seeing maple syrup, I'm seeing produce, everything from bok choy to onions. Let's explore some of this stuff. Wow, monastery baked bread?
Yeah.
You even have gluten-free bread?
Yes, not today though.
Oh, not today.
Yeah.
That's okay, I like gluten, but
yeah. Me too. Give me more gluten, the better.
All right, we're gonna have gluten together. This looks really good. Organic and pure maple syrup. What's the difference?
Oh, there's a big difference for inspection-wise. Everything has got to be according to their regulations.
Could use this for the picnic later, I think. Hi.
Hi.
Need a stone, take a stone. What's special about these stones?
Well, these stones are great for grounding. So if a person just feels sort of spacey for the day, people resonate with stones.
Yeah. I know, I like Mick and Keith the best. But
Yes.
Hey, it works.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm totally on the ground.
Instantly grounded.
Nice. You know, I've been hearing like motors, engines in the distance all morning. What's going on?
Yeah, we have the Amsoil racing here today.
Oh.
However, they get a little loud, a little rowdy. I'm not really sure if that's your jam or not.
I'm at Sign Park in downtown Antigo for a reason. A lot of people don't know it, but Antigo is a world center for the manufacture of neon signs. And Antigo Xeon, which makes those neon signs, offered me an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour. If this goes the way I think it's gonna go, I'm gonna go nuts like Marlo Thomas in the opening of That Girl. Well, I've been enjoying my walk through downtown, but it's getting to be my favorite time of day. Time to eat again. I'm gonna grab some of the stuff I got at the farmer's market this morning and get ready for a picnic and a boardwalk walk with a family I know here in town. They'll give me the local perspective. So it's pretty cool that you can picnic in this park and take the boardwalk here. I mean, it's right in the heart of town. You usually have to go way out of town for that.
Yeah, I do like that. It's kind of neat, and then it also goes over to the fairgrounds too.
Oh, so it connects all over the place.
Yeah, we use it as much as we can because it's kind of neat to come through here. Then we get to walk and talk and just kind of relaxing, exercise.
So it's a good quality of life here. I mean, you were born and raised here, right?
Yep.
And generations.
Yes.
Yes.
So you have the boardwalk here in town, which is nice because you have nature right in the heart of this little city, but you're in the heart of Langlade County too, so you can access a lot of nature and outdoor recreation opportunities here in the county of trails, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of trails around and walking, biking, and you can go out to Jack Lake, there's trails, and it's just nice to be in nature and do exercise and be with your family.
Now, you don't lack for outdoor exercise opportunities in
No,
Langlade County,
we don't.
do you? Yeah, you know, I was downtown earlier. I ate at Dixie Lunch before, and they were checking out the sign park with all the neon signs.
Okay.
Seems like there's a lot of redevelopment going on in downtown Antigo.
Yeah, it's starting to look really nice. I like how they're doing that. They've redone all the roads and that down there. They've done the parking, new lights all down through there. A lot of new businesses coming back into the downtown area.
I'm seeing the storefronts filling up.
Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. That's kind of neat to see, you know, because like I said, I've been here my whole life. So when you see what it was like years ago, and then you see it kind of going back to that, and not in a bad way, it's like, this is neat. I like to see that it's going back to that, and you know, it's generating some stuff going on down there.
So every time somebody comes back, there's going to be something new to see downtown.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for talking with me about everything here in town. It's been fun today.
Yeah, we had fun
Cheers.
talking to you.